ईरान पर जारी अंतर्राष्ट्रीय तनाव के बीच अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने एक बार फिर बड़ा बयान दिया है। ट्रंप ने कहा कि उनके पास हर स्थिति के लिए एक योजना है, लेकिन ईरान ने जो मौका गंवाया वो अब वापस नहीं आएगा। हमने 60 दिन तक बात की, लेकिन उन्होंने सौदा नहीं किया। अब वे पछता रहे हैं और व्हाइट हाउस आना चाहते हैं, लेकिन शायद देर हो चुकी है। ट्रंप ने यह भी कहा कि कुछ भी हो सकता है और थोड़ी ही देर में उनकी वॉर रूम में बैठक है। उन्होंने इसे भयानक स्थिति बताया और कहा कि मैं इतनी मौतें और विनाश नहीं देखना चाहता।
The first night was devastating, and it really knocked the one side off, as you know. Devastating, devastating evening, day, and it's pretty much proceeded that way. I have a meeting in the war room in a little while, situation room, as some people call it. So we're going to meet. We're going to see. We're in the midst of it. It's a terrible thing. I hate to see it. I hate to see all that death, so much death and destruction. But death primarily is what I hate to see.
Does that mean you haven't made a decision yet on what to do?
I have ideas as to what to do, but I haven't made a final. I like to make the final decision 1 second before it's due, you know, because things change. I mean, especially with war, things change with war. It can go from one extreme to the other. War is very bad. There was no reason for this to be a war. There was no reason for Russia, Ukraine. A lot of wars there was no reason for. You know? You look right up there, I don't know, see the Declaration of Independence, and I say,